Hi, my name is Nitin, and today we are going to see the continuation of the OPC-UA coffee machine simulation. For more details about this project, you can see in the description of the video. Today we are going to see the simulation of the pump failure alarm. As I don't have the real hardware, I'm actually editing the pump status and changing the pump status to error status. Now you can see that the pump failure alarm is active and also device health is actually changed to error. Let's assume we have connected to a SCADA software and the operator saw the alarm message. And the operator can acknowledge this alarm by giving a message. So now we can see that the alarm status is changed to true. And once the issue is resolved, the operator can again confirm by giving the message. Now we can see that the alarm is no more active, and also you can see that the device health is back to normal.